Max was bored. His hamster Nutty just ran on his wheel every day. I wish you could do something exciting, Max sighed. Then Nutty sneezed and magically grew huge with glowing fur and tiny wings. Nutty fluttered around, causing chaos. Whoa, Nutty, you're huge! Max shouted. Nutty sneezed again, turning into a giant jelly bean rolling around the room. Max laughed as Nutty transformed once more into a glittery cloud. Nutty, you're a mess! Nutty floated outside, becoming a giant bouncing ball. Max held on tight, bouncing through the yard. Finally, Nutty sneezed one last time, shrinking back to normal size. Max hugged him, laughing. That was awesome, but no more magic for a while. Okay, Nutty squeaked happily, and Max promised to never underestimate his magical pet again.